Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a regex tutorial on freeCodeCamp, match ending string patterns. So in the previous example, we talked about how we can use regex to match the beginning of a string, but there's also a way to use regex to match the end of a string. And that's by using the $, and you put it after the characters you want. So here we have the variable with the string. This is a never ending story. And now we're looking for story as the last one. And then if we're testing this regex to the ending, it's going to return true because it's the last one. But if we test it in here, but story is not the last characters in the string, it's going to return false. So use the anchor character $, to match the string kabos at the end of the string kabos. Okay, so we just copy this and we want to put in the regex and then just end it with the $. And now we can console log result and it should be true. And that's it for this one. Thank you so much.